Okay, this week we fly at the falls. Let's go.
And 3, 2, 1, go! H-Nitro Racing! Yeah! Welcome to the H-Nitro Racing Show! And we're your hosts, I'm Harry.
And I am Richard. Thank you very much for joining this episode.
Yes.
It's a very special one. It is something that we've been wanting to do for a while, and we had a little bit of time, so we thought, why not? Today's the day.
Yes, and have we done it? What, assuming that people have read the title,
we're diving the waterfall, specifically the Rainbow Falls in Kerikeri. Something we've looked at, we've walked past it many times,
and thought,
oh, that'd be fun to fly in that location. So we thought, well, first of all, do we practice dives at waterfalls?
No, never. I've never flown there, and never practiced dives at all. But we have actually been there in a previous episode a long time ago.
Oh yeah,
yes,
that's right. We were doing the submarine to the RC submarine design that we made. We actually, go back and check that out. But yeah, so in this one, we thought we'd actually freestyle FPV drone dive the waterfall. So
let's get into it. It should be exciting. Thanks so much to our sponsors. Thank you once again for tuning in. And if you haven't done already, make sure to subscribe. So here we go. I'm Harry.
And I'm Richard.
And 3, 2, 1, race. Okay, so we're off to, where are we going, Richard?
We're off to the Rainbow Falls in Kerikeri today. Just thought we'd bring you something a bit special, a place that we've always wanted to fly at.
Yes.
And that day is today.
So, yes, we're on the road and we're heading there now. And before you know it, let's go fly.
Yeah.
Let's go fly a waterfall. Okay, so we're on site.
That's right, we're on site.
And yes, just about to unpack the car and then
that's right, and then head down to the falls. We are on our way to the falls now. It's very short.
You can hear it in the
background. You can hear it if you listen really hard. And
should be good.
Should be good, exciting. Okay, so what do you anticipate, Harry, on this?
What do you think? Yeah.
Look at the falls from the top and the bottom.
Yeah, looks good. So we're just going to go and have a look at the top of the falls to see what kind of, if there's any multi-pathing signal loss up there, and then
get into it.
We'll get into it. But we're just going to go and have a look at this little side shot here. Maybe this could be a possible takeoff spot. Could be looking pretty good. What do you reckon? That's pretty good, eh? "27-meter waterfall." What do you reckon of the falls, Richard?
Pretty good.
Yeah, and specifically, where is this particular fall?
So we're in Kerikeri. This is the Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Falls, and there's a lot of water going over the top there, if you can see. So there you go.
Yeah, so
and there's a mist trail going out there, so that's going to make things interesting for filming.
That's what we're talking about there. That
fine mist of water coming off the waterfalls there. It should be interesting.
Make it a little
interesting from a movie making point of view. But here we go. Let's get into it. It's going to be exciting.
All right, so back in the 1930s, horse and cart, this was state-of-the-art technology. Hydro dam for 17 customers here. Okay, so we keep an eye on the weather. Doesn't look necessarily the best, but hopefully we can get it done.
Get a successful flights in.
Yeah, get some flights in. But the drones themselves are actually all waterproof. That's not the one that we're worried about. It's the extra stuff like the cameras and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, be good to get it all done.
Okay, so we're making our way down the track now. How you go, Richard? All right? Yeah, it's got the gear in there, so you got to be careful.
Okay, so so we're going for launch on the first battery. Go down like the present. Bit of a window here. Hopefully we can get through it. Oh yeah. Yeah, all good. Yeah.
Flying in a new location.
Bit of mist there. How's that, alright?
It looks good.
Should start climbing.
If you're feeling happy with it.
Is that cool? Nice and clear?
Yeah.
Okay, driving in.
And coming down the other side, yeah.
You have to brake hard on that bit. It's a bit dark in the lens when you get close up here.
Here we go.
2 minutes on the clock. How's that, alright?
Yeah, that's good.
2 minutes 20. They're climbing up again. It's a bit dark on the edges, I can't really tell like if there's trees and stuff around.
Yeah.
That's quite hard.
Just keep away from it, yeah.
That was good.
That was fast, that one. What do you think of battery issues?
Yeah, I guess you can play it easy.
So yeah, just getting these batteries ready for our second run. We're using 1300 150C Leopard power batteries, 4S if you're wondering. And we're going to go again, so just taping them up, just keep the water out of them. Okay, so about to go again, Richard?
Yeah, about to go again.
Which is just finding its frequencies. And before you know it, we'll go again. So you ready?
Not really. I'll give it a go anyway.
Yeah, it's arm. Yeah, disarm. Yeah, it's good, it's good. You're good, just go over there where you're happy. Yeah, looking good. He's up the top there. Here he comes down that side. He's coming around that side there. How does that look? What do you think? Yeah, all good? Nice. No, he's coming around the front, he's going back up again.
No, not yet.
Not yet? Yeah. Keep away from the middle section, that's where the mist is.
Yeah, climb back up.
Go back up. Yeah, good height. Coming back around. Nice. Going back up again.
How much higher can I go over the fall?
Yeah, what you could do is you could turn to your right a little bit.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going a bit more. Yeah, just to get that penetration in the direction, and you're kind of facing the wrong direction before. That's okay. Yeah, I mean you could go high, but don't go over too far. Climbing. Yeah, look good. Yeah. Yeah, nice. What do you think?
Yeah, that was nice. It is,
Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, he's at the top now, coming back around. So what do you reckon? Okay, you're thinking about landing? Okay, come around. Yeah, that's the right direction. And you're just about there, coming down, coming down, coming down, and disarm. Okay, you're going to grab him. Going for retrieval now. All good? Nice. What do you think?
down safely. There's a bit of mist in there.
Yeah. I dry it off and go again.
So yeah, so we're cleaning off the lens because there's quite a bit of mist up there, as you can see. So we'll have to see what the final result is once we go back to the studio. But for now, Harry's going to have a turn, so he's going to jump in the cockpit and see what he can do. Harry's about to get ready for flight.
Oh yeah.
And this is him powered up there.
You good?
Are you good, Harry?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? All right, good luck, Harry.
All clear?
All clear. Good luck. Okay, up you go. Up you go.
Yeah. Very good.
Nice one. Yeah, there he is. There you go. Nice one. Great flying. What do you think, alright?
Yeah. Definitely better around by that.
Okay, so he's up to the top there. Down he comes. That was a great gun. Nice one.
Yeah, that's good. Bit of a different dog than what this.
Yeah, it is, yeah. So up he goes. Up, 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 and then down. Down he comes. Nice.
Nobody around where we're gonna. That's it.
Yeah, you're good, yeah, yeah. So let's have it there. Yeah. We're going up to the top, are we?
Yeah.
There he comes. How you going on time? Up by the waterfall there. Nice and close. There he is. We're going around the waterfall base, it looks like.
The base, yeah. Spray there.
Yeah, it's good, yeah, nice. Whoa, that was cool. There you go. How you going for time?
3 minutes.
Okay, come back in, land. Okay, you're coming in, Harry. Okay, you're coming in. Okay, that's where you are there. Down, 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 down. Yeah, cut it. Nice one. Great landing. For retrieval. You landed perfectly, so that's a good retrieval, good flight. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, good stuff.
Okay, we'll swap batteries and try again.
Yeah, we're gonna plug in for Harry's second flight.
Yeah, do that.
Okay, you ready, Harry?
I guess so.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay, Harry's second run.
Yeah, second round. Yeah, you all good? Maybe around.
Maybe around. Yeah, you're good. You're good, yeah. Okay. Are you turning around there? Nice one. Up to the top of the falls. Yeah, he's definitely up there. Down he comes.
How was that, alright?
That was great, yeah. Whoa, way up there, no. Nice one. There you go. Great stuff. Another big one. Woohoo, that was a big one. Climbing again. That was a great one. There he is. How you going for time, all right? Okay, we'll come into land then. Coming to land, yeah. There you go. Coming in. Yeah. Yeah, like 2 meters up, 1 meter up, anywhere there's fine. Coming down. Down you go, land there. And there you go, all landed. Okay, so Harry's down there. You can see him, there he is. That's Harry. And he's just getting ready to do another flight. And I'm way up the top. And this is where we are, we're way up here. He's going to soar up into the sky above the waterfall and zoom back down up to there. So yeah, looks pretty cool. And he's up in there, up he goes. Yeah, it's coming on good. He's climbing. Back down. That was pretty cool. Okay, so what we're doing is we're gearing up for one last flight, and depending on how visible it is back there, we're going to attempt to go a flight behind the waterfall over there. So
That's the plan.
that's the plan, but it's all depending on how visible, how dark it is, right?
Yeah. But if it's too dark, I'll be not a bad one.
Nice one. How's that over there? How does it feel, eh? Yeah, come back. Is it completely black? Oh well, there's the answer then. If it's completely black, nice flying, by the way. They're pretty misty over there. Yeah, come back. Nice one. Oh, we'll just do a couple of dives then, don't worry about it. Nice flying, by the way. Oh wow. What's the time like? Wow, that was cool. You coming to land? Okay. Okay, you're coming in. Yeah, that's good. Coming in. Okay, center now. Down, down, down. Land there. Yeah, down there. Yeah. Well done. Great landing. What do you think? So we're boarded on the behind the waterfall.
Yeah,
It's a bit.
I think maybe a sunnier day, it's kind of getting late a bit now. I couldn't really see the light in there, or maybe we can come back again and maybe put a light on it.
Oh yeah.
That's an idea.
Something to do in the future. But for now,
Let's go back to HER Racing HQ.
And we're back. So there you go. That was exciting. I was out there, and we did get the drone back. We were safe and sound.
that's right. Never landed in the drink, so that was good.
Yes, it may have gone close, but it didn't go in. Yes.
I suspect if the water hit it, it would push it in.
Yeah.
And with the downforce of the water.
Yes,
but
and-
it never hit the waterfall, so we were all good on that.
Yeah, it was great fun, and I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure, if you haven't done already, make sure you smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Yeah, that's right. So what were the interesting quirks or constraints or interesting problems that we arose when we were flying there? What was the
the interesting thing was there's a lot of spray from and turbulence coming off the waterfall. As we haven't done any waterfall dives, but yes, it was interesting and a different challenge to come.
That's right. So you would have noticed that there's quite a bit of a mist came up on the lens of the drone, which made it interesting to fly against. We did put the rain repellent on the.
But since it's so misty, it just kind of sticks. So I think maybe what we'll do is next time, if you wanted to see us go again, maybe make something up, or we start from a different location, not inside the spray zone,
and then go drop into the spray zone.
Yeah.
So maybe we have to drop in from the top.
Yeah, maybe.
But it was interesting nonetheless. Leave a comment below if you've got any ideas about how to stop mist coming up on the not mist, yeah, well, rain mist, I guess.
Rainwater repellent. Yeah.
Okay.
Droplets. Yeah, that's the word. And okay, so moving on to the next segment of the show, the movie of the week is Kangaroo Jack. Yes, and it's a cool movie, and it's made down under. I mean, next door. Technically down under as well, our neighbours in Australia, and it's pretty cool. Just a cool, fun movie, and yeah, you should check it out with Jackie Legg. So that's the movie you should check out. And jumping on to the next segment on the show, final thoughts, Richard.
Final thoughts. Yeah, it'd be good to. I know in the last little bit there, we sort of put a personal challenge at the end to see to go behind the waterfall.
Oh yes.
But I think when we tested it, it was it was a bit too dark, so maybe next time we need to go back. If you guys want, leave a comment below, and maybe we'll add like a light or something in front of the camera just to do that one to brighten up the cave, because you want to know where you're flying. What's behind the cave? I don't know, I've never been there.
There you go. So there you go. If you want to see that, make sure you comment below, and we'll see each other next time. I'm Harry,
and I'm Richard. We thank all our sponsors. Thank you most importantly of all for tuning in,
and we'll see each other next week. In 3, 2, 1, go! HR Racing, HR Racing, HR Racing. Yeah. See you then.